So there you have it. Fantastic, fantastic. Basil pesto made with walnuts. How easy is that? There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. We're going to make pesto. We're going to make a walnut pesto. So easy to make. You know, pine nuts very expensive around the world unless you luckily live in the country where pine nuts are readily available. Many alternatives to make pesto. We're going to make it with walnuts. I think walnuts give it the best flavour if you cannot use pine nuts. So let's crack on and show you how to do it. Come on. It's pretty straightforward. You want a pan on, not too high, and we want to roast our walnuts. Nice little toasting on there. Nice little one of those. Flame not too high. Now I don't think you can beat a fresh pesto. I just think the fresh pesto flavour of fresh basil, parmesan, little squirt of lemon, oh, and obviously we're using walnuts. You cannot tell the difference between this and pine nuts if you're eating a pesto dish. Save yourself a fortune, use walnuts. When you've got a little bit of toasting on there, we just need to let these cool down. We're not putting those in the processor red hot. Okay, it is such an easy job to do to make pesto, okay? We want our basil leaves in there. A little bit of garlic. Want our walnuts in there. We've got Parmesan cheese in there. Salt. A little bit of black pepper. You guessed it. In there. And we want a squeeze of lemon. Now you can squeeze it in now, or you can squeeze it after we give it a blend. In fact, that's what we'll do. We're going to blend it up, nice and straightforward, and then we're going to chuck some olive oil in. So it's a little pulse job. So we're just going to go in there with some olive oil. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 tablespoons. That'll start us off. Want a little bit of lemon in there. Brightness in there, a little bit of freshness. Oh yes, please. Oh, it smells beautiful already actually. Okay, give it a little mix up. Now you decide how much you want to blend. Do you want a little bits of nuts in like I do, or do you want to make it completely smooth? Smooth, you carry on. Nicely blended with bits of crunchy in there. Stop now. So there you have it. Fantastic, fantastic. Basil pesto made with walnuts. How easy is that? There you go. So there we go, straight in a jar. Fabulous. And then what you do is you top it with olive oil. That's going to stop it from going black. Seal it up. Stick it in the fridge. So there you go, that's our pesto made. That's basil pesto with walnuts, cheaper than making with pine nuts. Absolutely fantastic fresh. Stick it in the fridge. Use it as you would for any pesto dish, on pasta, anything. Whatever you use pesto for, there you go. That's our pesto made. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.